Hi, it's Amy and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do some Frida Kahlo inspired nail art. Enjoy! So we're going to start with our basic colours for our backgrounds. Because we have a overlay that I've done with the acrygel, we don't actually need to use the base coat because that counts as one. So we'll start off using the Urban Graffiti Bath Bomb and we'll use that on the pinky finger. So when you're putting this on, remember to pull the skin back ever so slightly, just so you don't get that on the cuticle edge. Then we're going to go in with these three fingers with Beauty Beneath, which is a really nice creamy nudie colour. Remembering to have nice straight sides. Also, pulling the skin ever so slightly back will help the polish get a little bit closer to the cuticle area, giving you a cleaner look. Remember to cap those free edges. And for the thumb, we're going to go in with this lovely khaki green Midori. And pull the skin back and just ever so slightly bounce the brush towards the cuticle. If you do get any on, it can easily be wiped away, but remove it before curing. And remembering the free edge. Pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds to cure. So once out the lamp, we'll go back in with our second coat. Again, bouncing to the cuticle to get a nice clean finish. And capping that free edge. Pop that hand into cure for 30 seconds for me. Being cured, we'll top coat two of the nails using the Urban Graffiti top coat. We'll top coat the pinky finger and the thumb, as we won't be adding anything to those. Pop that into cure for 60 seconds. So first we're going to start with the flowers. So on this finger we'll use the dotting tool and pick up some of the burlesque. Now I hate doing flowers, so I'm going to do nice, easy, simple ones. And it is just as simple as popping some of the colour on. And with our 001 brush, picking up a little bit of the beauty beneath and swirling it round, just to give it a little bit of a flowery pattern. I'm going with the white. It's not necessary to replicate flowers as such, it's just to give it an illusion of. Picking up tiny amounts and just swirling them around. And we'll do the same on the index finger. However, we'll go from the top. And again with the 001, take some of the beauty beneath, just a little bit, and swirl that round. A little bit of white, just to make it look like a mushy little flower. If you want to pop that in for 30 seconds. Once that's been cured, we're going to go back in with Midori, pick a little bit up with our detailing brush and draw some little leaves. So we're not trying to create realism here. It's just to give the effect of. If you pop that back in, just to cure that for 30 seconds again. And when they've come out, before we top coat, we'll start on our middle finger. So again, with your detailing brush, the finer point this time, pick up some of that red burlesque. Now Frida wears a crown of flowers. So that's the size roughly we're wanting. So with the same process, just swirl some of that burlesque colour around. And then with your fine detail 001, we'll take some white this time and we'll just add some little speckles in there. Tiny little bit of the bath bomb pink and then swirl them and pop that in. Again, 30 seconds please. So once that's out of the lamp, before we do any of the detailing for the flowers or the leaves, we'll take our detailing brush 001, load that with some black because we're going to do her hair. Frida's hair parts in the middle, so we're going to try and create the illusion of a parting around those flowers. Just curly hair, so no straight lines needed. Then before we cure that, we're going to go in and do Frida's famous eyebrows, or eyebrow. While we cure that, we will go in and add her lips as well. Again, all with a detailing brush. Pop that hand in the cure for me, please, for 30 seconds. Once that's cured, we're going to go back in with our fine liner brush, load up with Midori and do some leaves. So while it seems like it might be quite intricate, it's all very basic shapes. And just going to touch up her eyebrows a little bit. Switch to my dotting tool, go in with the shimmer polish Zeus and just give her some earrings. And if you want to pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds to cure for me, please. And once they've been cured and we're happy with those, go in with the Urban Graffiti top coat, the non-wipe top coat, and the same with all the gel polishes. Pull the skin back so we get a nice clean finish, avoiding the skin. And remember to cap the free edge. And because it's a top coat, we cure that for 60 seconds in the lamp. So once those are out of the lamp and you are happy with your finished design, pop some of the Neo Nails cuticle oil on. Pink pineapple, it's my favourite.
If you talk all the time, you'll never hear what anybody else has to say. And therefore all you'll have to talk about is your own conversation. The same is true for people who think all the time. That means...
And there we have it, Frida Kahlo inspired nail art. So if you like this video, give it a like, give it a share, and leave some comments in the comments box. All the products that we use today will be provided in the description box. And thanks for watching.
that you've nothing to think about except thinking. And just as you have to stop talking to hear what others have to say, you have to stop thinking to find out what life is about. And the moment you stop thinking, you become into immediate contact with